countries in Latin America in talent for crypto.
Probably the majority of the work in crypto is that kind of
transfer from oil and gas and data.
Building modular building blocks for people to build on.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining the Behind the Company Lines podcast.
I really like talking about decision making all day. And I think it's just understanding what are the dependencies, what's the severity, what's the criticality, what's the uncertainty behind that decision I'm trying to make, who is it going to influence, what's the potential impact. And based on that, decide if it's a decision that you can just make and learn from it.
We're really trying to help with not the creation of the content, but taking all of that material that has already been produced and now converting it into a conversational interaction, because that's how we're really wired more as humans nowadays, is to converse, is what you and I are doing right now.
APIs are the new network. And again, it's on one hand challenging because there's so many of them and they develop so fast, but it's also an opportunity because they're much more standard than the way that we used to do connectivity.
What we found is the earlier stats hold true. So if you have a dog or a cat, the likelihood of winding up lost at some point in its lifetime is 1 in 3. And if that happens, the odds are about 88% against you that you're never going to see your pet ever again. So it's a huge problem. It's a major.
I think one thing that we really want to try to bring to the next level, I would say, and level being audience type, right? So I think like one thing that I'm a really big believer in is I really, really believe that the next wave of crypto adoption has to come through B2B enterprise. And I think there's a long way to go in order to make that happen.